Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we are going to do a Dollar Tree Glam double spear crystal and mirror home accent piece. Okay guys, you're going to need 2 wooden boards that I got from Michaels, or 2 butter dishes. That's what we're going to use. Some Mod Podge, some crystals, 2 of the floor foams from Dollar Tree, some glitter of your choice. I'm going to use hieroglyphics glitter, E6000, some glass filler. I'm going to use this because I have it on hand, but if you don't have it, you can make your own using Dollar Tree mirrors. I have a tutorial up on our channel, as well as Petal is Blessed. She has a tutorial up on her channel on how you can make this on your own. You're going to need 4 of the round Dollar Tree mirrors, possibly a wooden dowel, but we're not going to use that. Paintbrush, hot glue gun, and hot glue stick. So I'm going to open everything. Okay guys, and one other thing I forgot to tell you what you're going to need, and I realized that when I started opening the styrofoam. You're going to need a sealer. So I'm going to try to spray these inside with the window open and in a box so it won't get everywhere. So I'm going to do the same thing to this one right here, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so it worked. It's hard. Nothing is falling off of it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to decide on a base. And because I want this to look like it's floating in air, I think I'm going to use the clear butter dish, the bottoms. So I'm not going to fix it on its base yet. Mark out a spot at the bottom to make sure that I do not put any of the filler. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Mod Podge and I'm going to put it all over this side. One of our bags. And I'm hoping, my desire is 1 bag does each. Then I'm going to go in some with the hieroglyphics. So I'm gonna let this right here, this side, dry some before I go on to the next side. Guys, I decided why these are drying some more, because I did the other one on the one side to try to compensate for the time. I decided to go ahead and build my tower thing that I need for one of the hoops. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the acrylic gems and putting just a tad bit of hot glue on it, and I'm building it up. I want it to have that like, I want it to be an interesting thing when you actually look at it, but from afar it's going to look like the mirror thing is floating in air. Kind of like the way it tapers off up at the top, so I'm going to leave it like that. See, I see one. So now we're going to put our base together. Just pretty much getting all the pieces ready to put together, to assemble. And I think I do want some E6000 on this because I do want it to be a permanent bond. Two more of these. So I know this one is going to sit right here like that, and then I want the other one to kind of be up like this. Yep, so that's a good place to put it, right in the middle. Right here where this little hole thing is, the center of it. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I want this to be a permanent hole, so I'm going to find a way to put some E6000 up here as well. So now the only thing that we have to do really is wait for our things to dry a little bit more. Well, actually, I think this one is good enough so I can start on this part around here. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry, these dry some, and as you can see, it's gonna be a process that you're gonna go around until you have it all filled up. And so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna complete this part on both, and I'm gonna complete this side. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is fill the entire ball, with the exception of the middle, up with the glass filler and the hydroglyphic glitter. And then once that is complete, I'll be back. Okay fam, in the process of me doing this, I realized that you probably want to paint this gray so that it takes up less, the green won't show through like you see back here. And I have to put some more filler on this side because the green is showing. So paint it gray, and then you won't have this issue. I just wanted to come back and tell you guys that. So guys, I'm showing you right here that I ran out the regular filler, so I made some more of my own out the Dollar Tree mirror, and as you can see, it looks just as good as what was purchased. Now I could have gotten it smaller, but for what I'm going to use it for, it's fine. I have a tutorial on our channel. It's under the vase that we did that matches the two candle holders. And if you can't find mine, Petal is Blessed has one on her channel as well. So I have finished the putting all the filler on the foam And now I am going to show you guys how well it's shining, and I just love the way that it has come out. But you can also see that there are green spots that's left in the foam from where I did not paint it. Now the next thing we're going to do is put our mirrors in. Now you remember in the beginning we tried this out right here, and it fits good, but when you put it up here, sometimes it falls in. So what I've come up with is I take one of these jumbo, well actually two of them, it'd be four because you need two on each side. The jumbo tongue depressors or craft sticks, and I take and I put one right here at the edge of the floor foam. Now this, guys, this is pretty heavy, so I'm hoping it's going to work out how I have it pictured in my mind. Now we're not going to take it out. I'm just going to go in and I'm going to randomly put E6000. Alright, so now we have it in on both sides, and this is what we have, and both of them are finished. I do have to go back and clean them up with the mirror cleaner. Bring our base back over, and where we don't have any well, we left our open space at right here with no mirror effect on it, and we're going to sit it down. The next come the hard part, the hardest part, I think, and that is getting these two are joined together. So this is how we want it to be. Alright, and I think, guys, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get a popsicle stick and join the two. So guys, I noticed that when I was trying to put the spear on top of the crystals, that it wasn't going to sit well because the back of it was flat. So I had to go in and put more crystals on the back of it to kind of like even it out, so that the base would have, the spear would have something to sit on. Okay guys, I'm going to cut a little bit of this out right here so that our crystals can fit into. I'm gonna glue our crystals into it. So here I am going to put the popsicle sticks in between both of the spears, and I'm going to use the hot glue gun to secure them together, along with a little bit of E6000. Okay, so we have it sitting up there, and I think it's gorgeous. And I'm going to put some glitter right in between here. Here's the finished look. We did have some complications with it, but overall I think it came out well. The first thing I would tell you is to spray your sealant on before you attach it to the base, because the base will get cloudy. I would tell you to check the placements of your popsicle sticks in between here, and make sure that you paint the styrofoam itself gray. So I'm going to give you a 360 of it. Okay, so don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.